Hoi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will teach you how to download video saw TikTok. Let's open the TikTok. Then let's find a video we will download. When you are too lazy to watch the one, let's click to banned here. Then copy the link. Then after Neon, let's go to Play Store. Let's download the one. No watermark download. So that's it. So many. That's class, you shouldn't get confused. This should be the one you choose. Then just click the one. Install. After my install, just wait a little longer. Then let's open the snap. Take up. Then that's automatic. He will face the link we copied. Then just click this no watermark video. So after Neon and download success. Here's the video in our gallery. We can open him. That's where I'll show you. Then here he is. There is nothing watermark when you are too lazy to wash the rag stove wiper. That's all guys, hope to learn you something. Guys in this video. There are many. Thank you.